Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Vikings slept in winter without freezing dead. We'll explore their ingenious methods for staying warm, from their robust homes to their clever bedding, and how daily life contributed to their survival in harsh climates. Understanding these practices reveals a lot about their resourcefulness and adaptation to extreme cold. They truly mastered the art of staying cozy. Viking longhouses were architectural marvels designed for warmth. Their walls, often made of turf, wood, or stone, could be several feet thick, creating a robust barrier against the biting cold. The roofs, frequently thatched or covered with turf, added another crucial layer of insulation. A central hearth not only offered warmth but also served as a cooking area, with the smoke providing a slight warming effect before escaping through a roof vent. Inside these insulated homes, Vikings employed smart bedding strategies. They often slept on raised platforms which kept them off the cold ground and away from floor drafts. Their bedding consisted of thick animal furs, such as sheepskin or bearskin, providing incredible warmth. Layering woolen blankets and clothing was also key, trapping precious body heat close to their bodies. Sometimes, entire families or groups slept together, sharing warmth. Beyond structural insulation and bedding, communal living was a major factor. Many people sleeping together in a longhouse generated substantial shared body heat, making a significant difference in overall warmth. Even livestock, like cows or sheep, sometimes shared a section of the longhouse, adding their own warmth to the environment. This combined approach ensured survival through the harshest winters. And speaking of staying warm, a good meal always helps. For easy meal prep solutions, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.